Alright guys, you're most welcome. So this is our last number for section A, South Sudan Certificate of Secondary Education, Additional Maths 2021. Here we go. Given that 320n is equal to 120 to base 10, calculate the value of the natural number n. So this is like the same as changes of bases, and in this case what are we going to do? So when we have 320n, it means we are going to multiply everything here by n, but we are going to consider the powers, is equal to 120 to base 10. So this one here we are going to change it to base 10, but then 120 to base 10 is the same as 120. You can just solve it direct or you can prove. So here we will have 3 times n a plus 2 times n a plus 0 times n. But remember, this is the same as raised to power 0, 1, 2 is equal to 1 times 10 plus 2 times 10 a plus 0 times 10. This is the same as to base 0, 1, raised to power 0, 1 and 2. So what do we do here? We can simplify. Here we have 3 times n raised to power 2, which is the same as 3n squared, plus n raised to power 1 is the same as n, so here we'll have 2n. Then any number raised to power 0 is 1, and 1 times 0 is 0. So here we have like 10 squared is the same as 100. Then plus, this is 2 times 10 is 20, so we'll still get 120. So what do we do in this case? This is an equation already. What can we do here? We can say 3n squared plus 2n. We can bring this on this side. 120 is equal to 0. This is an equation, and what do we do here? We need to factorize. So here when we factorize, we'll have something like, for instance, here we have 3n squared plus 2n. So here we are going to form 2 brackets. So here we'll have x3. So here we'll have 3. Here we'll have 3n plus 3n, 3 times this, 3 times n plus so here I'll have 3n plus 20. Then here I'll have n minus 6 is equal to 0. So what do we do here? We can equate the first bracket to 0, the second one 2 to 0. So here we'll have 3n plus 20 is equal to 0. Then here, what do? We collect like terms. So we will have 3n is equal to negative 20 by 3 by 3. Our n here becomes negative 20 out of 3. Again, we equate the second bracket, which is n minus 6 is equal to 0. So our n here becomes 6. Therefore, the values of n is equal to 6. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share.